Welcome back, Farr fam. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Guys, we bought something. I don't know if we should have, but this was our new purchase. This is the MacBook Air. We're going to be opening it up and giving you guys our first impressions of it. So we hope you guys enjoy it. Like, subscribe. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers.
Crazy.
Yeah, which is nuts. And we kind of got this for our upcoming trip, so we can still work on the trip.
That way, because our trip is very long, and that way we can post and get them up, so you don't have to wait the entire trip to see it.
And we can't bring our desktop, and that's going bad, and we have older laptops, so we needed a fresh update. So, do you want to do the honors of pulling the tab?
Sure.
Because we have a little tab you guys can see.
Okay, you want me to?
Yes, do the honors.
Tab it?
Pull it. Pull it.
I've never seen it like this.
It's like, I haven't either.
ASMR.
Yeah.
No kidding. Okay. Alright, I'll put it up here. Don't look at my disgusting nails.
Nice.
That was not as satisfying as I wanted it to be.
Yeah, I don't know.
It says MacBook Air.
This is the MacBook Air M2. There's been a lot of great discounts on these, to be honest, lately. So.
Ooh, it's heavy.
Ooh, I hope there's money in it.
That'd be great.
Do you want to hold it? No, you hold the bottom.
Okay,
I'll get the top. Oh. Ooh. You know, when I was in school, I used to have a Mac. I would save all my boxes.
You would save boxes from anything.
I probably still have them in my closet.
It could be like a shoe box, and he's saving it.
I always loved the Mac Air or the Mac.
I don't trust myself.
Jeez, how did we even get this out?
I think you have to pull it. Well, I was gonna show the camera.
Oh, you pulled this up.
Well, now we just jacked it up. Here, wait. Turn it upside down. Yeah.
Turn it upside down. It's costing.
No, I have it.
Alright, well, this is not a very satisfying unboxing video, so we'll start on the bottom.
Yeah, so we
Alright, so what do we get?
The charger.
Nice.
Which is nice. It's a nice big
USB
cubed one.
USB-C to USB-C.
With the cord.
Ooh. Oh, look
at
this.
Nice one.
Oh, look what's back.
Oh no, I didn't like that.
I loved these.
It's like very magnetic, and it would always unhook. I don't know, at least for me.
I kind of like that because if the dogs run by, it's not gonna yank out and just pop out. That's what I always kind of liked.
And it comes with obviously the little manual.
Wait, open that up. One of my favorite things, I hope they still do it, that Apple does is they should have stickers.
The kids always steal ours. Oh, did this one not come with it?
If not, I'm returning it. Oh, here we go.
Oh, we got
black. The other ones we have are white, so this is exciting. We should probably put this on the laptop.
No.
I'm kidding. All right, now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Probably do a drum roll.
Oh, you want me to physically do a drum roll?
No, you don't have to. Ooh, look how pretty it is. So I think we got the black.
I like the black. We normally get like the gray. Yeah.
Wow. And then the first open live with the Farr. Wait, oh my god, I almost just dropped it.
We're jacking this thing up.
This thing's gonna last like a week.
Wait.
Oh.
Where's the thing?
What?
Oh. Wow, the smell of it.
It smells like a new car.
Oh, okay.
Oh, go ahead.
Yeah.
We're weird. Why are we smelling it?
It smells. It's got a good smell.
But yeah, this is pretty much it.
Yeah. It's very clean.
Clean, fresh. All right.
It's actually not a heavy computer. The box made it like way heavier.
The box is so lot heavier than it is.
Wow, this is so nice.
You're like.
It's very thin.
Yeah.
I feel like the other one's thicker. We're gonna have to get a case.
Yeah,
for sure.
And the cool thing about this one, the other one that we have isn't even the M series chip, and this is the M2, so it goes all the way up to the M3 Ultra. So this is kind of like a middle ground. You know, it's not super expensive, and it's not super cheap. This one here, we're hoping we can edit videos. She's a photographer, so she can edit photos on it. And hopefully it's just like a little...
She's a photographer.
My wife, Lindsay, here, is a photographer. Did we already scuff it?
No, I'm just getting the... You know how like sometimes with like new stuff there gets fingerprints? Don't you see the fingerprints?
Yeah.
It's okay though. We'll get it off. And we're going to get a case. But...
Oh yeah, we probably should get a case.
Yeah.
Yeah. But alright, this is it, guys. We'll put links to this down below. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a fun one. Maybe in like a week or a month, I'll do a full, you know, review on it to see if it's worth the price. So like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.